Okay, now we're going to have a couple rules. So the committee has to have at least one tech, at least one chemist, and Wit, who is a chemist, must be chosen. Presumably, though, if she's a chemist, then she counts as the chemist. So we're going to do this. What we know for sure is that Wit is on the committee. So we're going to have kind of a modified. I'm going to show you a different way of doing this. So we're going to do this indirectly. Now, our total doesn't always have to be total. We could have kind of a modified total. So we know that Wit has to be on. So Wit has to be on, and then so the total for that of where Wit has to be on is going to be, there's 26, there's 25, choose 4. So 25 choose 4 is 12,650. Now, what would a bad one look like here? So if we have, so Wit is a chemist, remember? So Wit is a chemist. So if all the others were chemists, then that would be a problem, because then we wouldn't have a technician. If they were all technicians, right, if we had Wit on plus 4 technicians, that's fine, because we have at least one chemist and at least one technician. But a bad case would be Wit and 4 other chemists. So Wit is a chemist. There was 11 chemists. Now there's only 10 of them. So of the 25 choose 4 committees with Wit on it, 10 choose 4 of them are bad ones. Which means that the good Wit committees are going to be 25 choose 4 minus 10 choose 4. I just spilled my markers everywhere. 25 choose 4 minus 10 choose 4, which is going to be 12,440. Okay, I skipped O. I guess we're going right to P. I don't like O. It looks too much like a 0. Must have exactly 2 chemists and a chairperson will be selected. Okay. So it starts off pretty easy. We have to have exactly 2 chemists. So exactly 2 chemists and 3 technicians. So it's going to be 11 choose 2 times 15 choose 3. Whatever that is. So now whatever that number is, that's how many. I'm going to do it as a tree diagram. So we're going to have, there's a few thousand of those 2 chemists and 3 technician committees. And that's one of them. I've kind of drawn that branch out. Now, what we're going to do with that one committee is we're going to choose a chairperson. And how many ways are there to choose a chairperson? Well, there's 5 people on the committee. And so there's 5 ways of choosing the chairperson among those people. So what we have is the final answer is going to be 11 choose 2 times 15 choose 3. I'm gonna write without the brackets. 11 choose 2 times 15 choose 3 times, of the 5 people, we're going to choose one of them to be the chairperson, and that would be the answer. So if we actually do it, it would be 11 choose 2 times 15 choose 3 times 5 choose 1 is 100. One of those repeating ones, which is 125,125. And we're done that.